Friends, welcome to my channel Anup Calligraphy. Why your signature is important? Your signature important and valuable because it reflects your personality and says many more about your character. Every person who is born is sure to die one day, but signature will not die never, even after death. How to make a signature is perfect way. Create a signature in cursive. Use capital letters, first letter of your name. Draw the signature simple. Create your signature in correct size. I think this will help you to create your beautiful signature. Thanks to all my friends.